How y'all doing, man? It's been a long time. Really long time, and I apologize for that. But we're actually on our way to go pick up a new daily. For the last couple years, I've been like putting around in a little CRV. It's been doing a really good job, but I think it's time to get something a little bit quicker, something that could be on the channel, something we can modify together. So right now, we're on our way. I think it's a 7-hour drive. I think we're probably like 3.5 into it right now.
See the green sign up here?
Gotcha, sorry.
It's fine? Oh, sorry. It's coming up 400 feet. Slow down, 200 feet. Okay, you see it, the truck.
The destination is on your right. Arrived.
Right? Yeah.
Oh, we just got in the garage.
Most likely. We might not be able to be here long anyway. Alright.
It's on.
Alright, let's go look at this thing, man, and see what's going on. What'd you say, that hard rock? Hey, that boy. You good? Yeah, ain't shit.
What's going on, man?
Not much. Feeding the dog.
Oh, yes, sir. That's a big boy.
I told Steph you won't see him. Stephanie, Jamal, Stephanie.
This is Diesel. It's dinner time.
Yeah, we
A horse.
yeah. Shit, man, you said a dog way bigger than that, man.
I know, but too much to feed him, man.
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
hot down here. It's so hot that like it was hard on the big dog.
Yeah.
But I got a Frenchie. It's still rough on him. I
Oh,
just got back.
I see you just plugged everything on.
I got the two, that one and that one, $100.
They what?
The one on Trailer Run.
Oh, okay. Oh,
Yeah.
shit. Wow. That's a good deal then.
Yeah, $100.
I see it said no parking on the street, but we straight right there. Okay.
And nobody do nothing out here. Everybody park on the street. Everybody.
Okay. I saw that. I was like, damn, how the hell am I load this car up
No,
on?
ain't no HOAs, anything.
Okay, cool. All right, let's see this car, man. Some of y'all gonna be mad. Let me see what these dents talking about. Oh, she got smacked pretty good. Oh gosh, Wani.
That's the one. That was a big one.
Yeah.
I mean, it probably can be knocked out. It's a massage. It ain't like creased or nothing, but
Right.
it's rough.
That's all that matters. That's why I got it. I'm gonna just, bro, I'm trying to tell you, I'm gonna take it. This hood trash though. I might have to get a new hood.
The keys are
Front bumper. Get it right there. And then, let me see. The dash is cracked on it. But Jamal already went ahead and got me a new one. So, you ain't worry about it. Appreciate it. What that man say? You gotta turn it 3 times?
Yeah, it's already unlocked. Yeah. But she sounds good though.
Let me see. We got 86,000 on it. Bro, it smell like every SRT4. It's gotta be the glue in it.
Yeah, air works, all that shit works.
I appreciate this, bro. Hey, yeah, once I clean this thing, I looked at them joints in the junkyard, bro. The little sun visor.
Oh, those. Hey, you know I ain't even know.
Yeah, it's all good. Yeah, she got a miss. You can hear it. Ow! Put in the sun, see what she look like. She seen it. She seen. Yeah, she got some dents, but for the price, you can't beat it. That Florida fade, but this is the most important thing right here. Ain't no rust.
Nah, no rust on it.
No rust at all on
That's
this
one thing
car.
about cars down here. No rust.
Yeah. He said he. Yeah, that ain't 30, fam.
Man, they be keeping it wide open. There's a dude out here got a Mustang be wide open.
Oh man. Yeah, it's typical. So just, I mean,
Burn out right there.
I see that one wheel peel. So it's a 05, 86,000 original miles. I'm the third owner of the car. I guess the guy before me, he bought it from his wife's brother or something like that. Brother-in-law, it's his brother-in-law some kind of way. Bought it from him, and now we got it. So this will be the new daily. I'm gonna fix everything up and have a little vlog series about it.